Question number 33. Okay. From the following particulars, find the most profitable product mix and profit. Okay. Selling price is given to you. Yeah. 200, 160 and 100. Variable cost per unit is given to you. 120, 120 and 40. Fixed overheads per month is given to you. 2,76,000. Okay. Maximum production per month in units is given to you. 5,000, 8,000, 6,000. Total hours production per month is given to you. 200. Maximum demand per month is 2,000, 4,000 and 2,400. ठीक है. आगे क्या बोला है? Processing hours cannot be increased beyond 200 hours per month. So this is the limiting factor. Okay. Processing hours मतलब machine hours. Okay. So in this sum, machine hours is the limiting factor. Okay. समझ में आया? Is this clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Machine hours is clear to everyone? Okay. Okay, so let us start with step 1. Right here, step 1. Priority order or ranking. Okay, so you have product A, product B, and product C. Sales 200, 160, and 100. 200, 160, and 100. You can write your heading marginal cost sheet per unit. Okay, less variable cost. Okay, so variable cost is how much? 120, 120, and 40. So 120, 120, and 40. So this will give me my contribution. So this will give me 80, this will give me 40, and this will give me 60. Okay, so machine hours is the limiting factor. Okay, but the point is your limiting factor of machine hours should be in units. Okay, so machine hours, so contribution per unit of machine hours. Okay, but the problem in the question is machine hours is the limiting factor we all know. But contribution per unit of machine hours matlab this machine hours should be per unit. But that is not given in the question. वो तो क्वेश्चन में है ही नहीं. सी टोटल आज प्रोडक्शन कितना 200, तो ये इंडिविजुअल बाइफर्केशन नहीं है ना, ये होना चाहिए था. दिस इज मिसिंग इन द क्वेश्चन. सो आई कैनॉट कैलकुलेट दिस machine hours as limiting factor for per unit. Not possible. So because of this, this is also not possible. So ranking is also not possible. Or priority order is also not possible. Okay. So priority order based on machine hours as the limiting factor is not possible. समझ में आया question? Is the question clear? So please write a note. Machine hours required per unit is not available. Okay. Neither it can be computed. हाँ, हम निकाल भी नहीं सकते, ऐसा information भी नहीं है. Neither it can be, नहीं दिया है तो निकाल भी सकते, बट ये क्वेश्चन में वैसा इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं, वी कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट ओनली. सो नाइदर इट कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम द गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन. सो ड्यू टू incomplete information, ranking based on contribution per unit of machine hours or limiting factor cannot be found, cannot be given. क्लियर? समझ में आया एवरीवन? So actually this was an incomplete question. Obviously I purposely taken it so that you understand. Okay? Clear everyone? Understood the question? Okay? Now suppose in the question paper ये 200 यूनिट्स दिया है. ओके, तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ हाउ इट विल बी सॉल्व ऑल्सो. ओके, assume that this information is there with us, then how it is to be solved. Say this is how we call it. Say this is 80, this is 40, and this is 80. Okay, so suppose your information is in this manner, or you can make it this way also. Okay, suppose this bifurcation is given 60, 40 and 100. Then what will happen? ये आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑब्वियसली चेंज हो जाएगा ना. this is how much? This is 80, this is 40, and this will be 60. Okay, and now assume machine hours is limiting factor. Okay, कितना assumption लिया मैंने 60, 40 और 100. ठीक है, 60, 40, 100. So the next step will be what? Contribution per unit of machines. Okay, so now see, how will I do this? Okay, so units and hours. Okay, so 5,000 units बनाने के we need 60 hours of machine hours. So for 1 unit how much? So 5,000 divided by 60. So that comes to 83.33 hours. Okay, next. Next, 8,000 के लिए I need how much? 40 hours. So for 1 unit बनाने के 8,000 divided by 40, 200 hours. Okay, next is 6,000. So 6,000 units बनाने के लिए 100 hours. तो 1 यूनिट बनाने के लिए कितना? So 6,000 divided by 100. So कितना हुआ? 60 hours. Okay, so this is my answer. Right? Okay, so this is what I'm writing now. Simple maths 83.333. Please write down here 83.333. Next 200, and next answer is of mine 60. Okay, समझ में आया यहाँ तक everyone? Is this clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. ठीक है, so now 80 divided by 83.3333 कितना हुआ? 0.96. Okay, so right here in this I can write it 83.33, 200, and 60. Okay, so 0.96. Next 40 divided by 200, 0.2, and 60 divided by 60 will give me 1 degree. Okay, so now when I have to give rank, so obviously this will be first rank, this will be second rank, and this will be third rank. Is the ranking clear to everyone? Okay. And here I can work in my. If you want, show the working note. If you can do it, well and good. Machine hours per unit. For A, units and machine hours. 5,000 units, 60. So for 1 unit, how much? And for B, 6,000, 8,000 units, 40 hours. So for 1 minute, how much? C, 6,000, 100 hours for 1 minute, how much? So this is what we got our answers. 83.33. This I got how much answer? Yeah, 200 hours. And this I got how much answer? 60 hours. Okay? समझ में आया? Till here, step 1 is understood.